Today, I'm sharing exactly how to become a millionaire when you're broke. Whether you're just starting out or you're already making some decent money, but you want to scale faster. Over the last 20 years, I've built multiple 7-figure businesses and one 8-figure business personally. I now help other entrepreneurs do the same thing using the same strategies I used. So if you're just starting in business or you're scaling one and need some help, join my newsletter down below where I share all my tips and tricks to make loads of money and grow fast. Here's the roadmap to take you from broke to a millionaire as fast as possible. The money formula. Money equals value exchange. Money only exists to transfer value. When you solve problems or remove pain, people will pay you. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you're going to make. Your value assessment. Ask yourself, what problems can you solve? What pain can you remove? Maybe you've overcome addiction. Maybe you're skilled at like trading, business or finance. Maybe you can teach something others struggle with. And if you think you don't have any value, you can learn it. Skills are buildable. The 3 pillars of high value problems. Focus on these 3 areas. This is where people spend the most amount of money. Number 1, health, fitness, nutrition, mental wellness. Number 2, wealth, making money, investing, business. Number 3, relationship, dating, marriage, or social skills. Problems in these areas equal premium pricing opportunities. The pricing formula for financial outcomes. Charge between 10 and 20% of the value you create. Help someone make 100 grand, then you charge like 10, 20 grand. Help someone save 50k, then you charge between 5 and 10k. For life outcomes, price based on impact. Saving a marriage, worth tens of thousands of pounds. Transforming someone's health, worth whatever it costs. Choose the right vehicle. Not all business models are equal. The best ones have high profit margins like 80-90%. Scalability without increased effort. You want to start something that has low startup costs. The best business vehicles. Online courses, build once and you sell forever. Group coaching, you help lots of people at the same time. Digital consulting. But you need to avoid this. Having a physical inventory, having a warehouse full of loads of different stuff. It just wastes money and costs a lot. Location dependent services. If you've got a small shop and then you've got a small audience in a local town, you need to avoid that. Low margin models, selling really cheap items, and you're making 10 cents each item, then you have to sell millions of these items. It's just not worth it. The process. Number 1, identify your personal value. What problem can you solve? Number 2, then you package it. Create a product or service. Number 3, marketing. You tell people about your solution. Number 4, then you sell it. You convert interest into sale. Number 5, you deliver it. You actually solve their problem. Number 6, you scale it. You repeat the process and optimize. It's really that simple. The time reality. Results are guaranteed if you follow this process, but the time varies. Some reach millionaire status in 1 to 2 years. Others take 3 to 5. I personally did it in about 2.5 years. The key, stay consistent. Help enough people solve valuable problems and becoming a millionaire becomes inevitable. If you really help people get what they want, then you'll get everything that you want. It's not magic, it's just economics. Find valuable problems, solve them better than anyone else, and charge appropriately. The money will follow. If you're serious about making money online, then join the newsletter below and also watch this next video right here.